Konnichiwa. Hello. Is he gonna talk? Oh, he responded to me. Oh my god. Today she knows. Oishi. We're gonna do a performance, and so we have to put on these socks. We're at the floating park. Yay! Wow, it looks so beautiful. Look at all this lake.
I was thinking about the band, I was thinking about the fans. We were underground, loading merch in that 12-passenger van in a small club in Minnesota, and the snow outside of First Ave. I just wanted my name in a star.
Okay.
Look at where we asked it. I'm laying my blood and dream about where we come.
What? I don't know if I got it. So I just purified my hands. Now we're gonna go to the temple. Whoa, this is so amazing.
I'm getting wet.
And bow twice. And then you clap twice. And then bow again. Yeah.
On a trampoline, flipping in the air. I never land, just float there. As I'm looking up, suddenly the sky erupts. Flames in the
So I'm gonna do fortune.
Not automatic.
Got my 100 yen.
I'm gonna die or not. There's two of them.
Today.
Wow, this is so cool. そして、あ、父はこれ、グッドラック。
Good luck. I got good luck. Okay.
As long as it's good.
How long is this good? That's all that matters.
I've been having dreams, splashing in the summer stream, tripping, I fall in. I wanted it to happen. My body turns to ice, crushing weight of pain.
1 minute.
1 minute. Okay.
じゃあこちらもお願いします。今こういう状態です。とっても綺麗。
Oh. Very. とても綺麗です。1 minute.
とっても形が綺麗ですよ。もう。
お世話になっております。This dog is so cute. The train's over there.
You left your ticket?
Yeah.
Okay. Itterashai. See you.
So clean. So clean. Outside. Streets are so clean. That guy is raking leaves on the street. What is going on? Ohayou gozaimasu. Walking to the station, I'm assuming. Yeah. Bus. We're eating sushi today. Hi. I ordered, what is this, fried shrimp? This says salami and rice. This is fried scallop.
Fried squid.
Squid.
Yes.
Is it eggplant? And that's, I don't know what that was.
This one.
Hi. This is so cool. This is so cool. This is so cool. So you just do this?
Yeah. To push it.
Oh my god. What? That's so cool. Look at this green tea. Oh my god, that's so bendy. So this is our host's bathroom. With the dryer and washer is over here. So this is like the sink and it's separate. You have the thing that opens that way and then you open this and you soak in the bath. And you just take a shower here and you sit down in that chair. So yeah. This is mine. This is like the spray thing and the bidet. And then I don't know what else those do. So like I thought this was really cool. When you flush it, water comes out for like the sink. So you can use. Snowy, you're so adorable! He's sitting on my lap. That's so cute. Oh my god. Fitz never does this. Oh my god. We're walking. And take the train. Very nice.
便にくださいって言ったらもらえるんで。
Okay, hi.
よかったらいいから。
気づいてるよその涙のわけはでも乗り越えられる今は空を見上げて君のよ
快速南福岡行きは行きは4両編成です。ご乗車ありがとうございました。
So packed. So packed. Look at all the people. Kampai.
A little bit lonely and you never come around. Turn around.
Karaoke!
Streetlights, heat up. Hold on to that feeling. Oh, don't stop believing.
Flying Anna Airlines today. Morning, Ohio gozaimasu. Look at the rainbow in the plane. It's so cool.
Position during takeoff and landing. Cabin, including the lavatory.
携帯電話などの電波を発する状態にある機器はご使用になれません。
We just got off and now we're in Tokyo. Woo! Oh, that's the flush sound. Back at Naruto Airport. Yay!
We have a lot of our
We're back in Tokyo for lunch. Just got back on the plane from Fukuoka. This is a paper spoon. I'm not really sure how it works. Fold it.
It's a dessert.
So it turns into like a paper spoon when you fold it. That's cool. Interesting. So then I could scoop it. I'm in Shibuya! Oh my god, the Times Square of Japan! Oh my god! It's so cool! This is what it's like on the TV! I'm in Shibuya! Oh my god! It's like the Times Square of... I can't get over it! It's so cool! Oh my god! Guys, I can't believe it! There's so much people here!